What is good, guys? TJ Got Kicks 89. I'm back with another pickup and review. This time we've got a Nike box. First of all, let me say thank you so much for keeping it logged into my channel. You guys are everything. Thank you so much for liking, comment, and subscribing and staying tuned to my channel. Today we've got a Nike box, like I mentioned. Haven't untaped it, so let's get to that. Just using my trusty little ninja card thing. And I think everyone knows what this pickup is. We got that flight on top. Alright. So today we have got a Jordan 4 from the style of box. You can tell it is the flip up style Jordan box. I don't really fancy Jordan Brand doing that nowadays because to me it kind of looks like the newer age stickers, but hey, it doesn't matter. We've got the Air Jordan Retro in the black, fire red, and cement colorway, otherwise known as the black and cement or the Bred colorway. Size 9.5, standard Jordan box, just with cement bottom and the flip up top. Let's get to this. Alright. First time I'm seeing this with you guys. 3, 2, 1. You can see that little Nike tag peeking out right there. That old school Nike tag. Flipping up the shoe. Damn. And this is the Jordan 4 in the black and cement colorway with the Nike Air on the back, on the bottom, and on the inside. First of all, just looking at it really closely, no glue stains whatsoever, which is a good thing if you guys are really picky about that. I've had a few other friends who managed to get this early release on sneakers, on Nike.com as well, and everyone said that the quality has been exceptional so far. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit under the weather. OG style, slanted netting there. So let's just get into the materials. I know there's millions of videos of this on YouTube, but I just want to put this out for you guys just to share. You got your standard Durabuck upper. This is not nubuck. Durabuck, it's the same as on the latest 6, which I'll just pull out for you. Here. That's Durabuck and not nubuck because it doesn't move when you kind of, it's not like suede-ish. But Durabuck upper, which is very durable, flexes and actually resists wear really well. You've got your Jordan 4 netting here, and that is obviously not glued on, unlike the 2012 release, which I did not pick up because I was not making money at that point in time. You also have the netting going up, the tongue there, and that is also not glued on, and also on the other side. You've got your lace crowns holding the laces together up top, and true to the OG form, you've got the lace crowns at the side. Basically this kind of material there. You've also got that on the back in the lace panel there at the back. Standard black laces up top. Also Durabuck tongue, flight tag. And let's just take a look at the inside very quickly. If you guys can see, there's that Nike Air branding on the inside with a red polyurethane, I believe. Let's just pull that out. Yes, red polyurethane insole on the inside. This is very good because it helps with cushioning. And also you've got this Air Jordan tag upside down. If you guys didn't know, the reason that it's upside down is because people used to fold these tongues over like that. Yeah, hype beasts scream and cry because I'm creasing my shoe, but yeah, so they used to wear them like that, down there, and yeah, that's why it's upside down. I always thought it was actually upside down because like every time like MJ would fly, you know, like he would, like when you're up in the air, that would probably be one of the things that the cameras would pick up. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. Alright, so just finishing up the upper, you have got a very soft and pliable, look at that, very soft and pliable heel counter at the back with the Nike Air logo in gray. And this, just reiterating what Mr. Chris or Nightwing says, is actually softer, way softer compared to the previous Force releases. It doesn't really dig into your heel. If you guys who love wearing Force know what I mean. This is actually just gonna make sure that you don't, your Achilles doesn't bleed every time after you wear your shoe. The upper sits on top of a polyurethane midsole, and hold on, just give that a good squeeze. Oh, and this compound is actually way softer than the one that was found on the white cement. I don't remember when it was, but the white cements that recently released of this shoe. And that goes all the way around. Just talking about the colors, you've got black and white here, air unit in the back, and you've got this you've got also an air unit in the front, true to the Jordan 3 style, and that sits on top of a cup sole at the bottom with a Nike Air logo in the tread pattern of the Force, which I believe is one of the most durable tread patterns available on a Jordan shoe, because look at that herringbone. Look at that. This goes all the way around. Stars in the front, Nike in the middle. The colors just break up very nicely on this sole with that red in the back and that gray in the middle. Just talking about a little bit of history about the shoe. It was not this colorway that made me first fall in love with the shoe. It was actually the black and laser colorway, which is based off of this, except it was leather and there was laser etchings all over the shoe. And I think it wasn't even a legit shop that was carrying it. It was one of the fake stores here in Sungai Buloh that was carrying that. And yeah, that colorway actually made me fall in love with the shoe first, and then over the years, as I managed to get into sneakers and whatsoever, I kind of started falling in love with the original version of that shoe, which is this, the black and cement. So let's just check the other pair. So this pair comes with the old school Nike hang tag, unlike the ones on the 3s. No quality issues whatsoever. Thank you so much, Nike, for putting out a shoe that has no flaws. And it doesn't look like someone tried my shoe on this time, which is good. Alright guys, so that takes care of the review of the Jordan Black and Cement 4. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will be wearing this on court also. I don't know if I'll be doing a performance review. If I feel like doing one, I will definitely post it here and let you guys know what I think. But from initial try on of my first pair that came, this was the double up that came over yesterday, but from initial try on, it felt a lot more comfortable than the white and cement 4s, and I can tell that after proper break-in time, this is going to be one hell of a shoe that you can rock on court as well, if you're like me and love playing in retros and love having your feet really sore at the end of the day. So that will take care of the review of the Air Jordan 4 Black and Cement. This has been TJ Got Kicks 89. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I am out.